Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you'll have fun, cool and having fun. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing any kind of turban or shima, you guys can contact to my own brand Ariel. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world and delivery is free in Pakistan. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful turban that I'm tying right now. This is turban of character of drama series Sang-e-Mah, Haji is tying. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Pashtu turban. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.